Hello from Slovenia again. I will use this cake lifter today to do my bloom on, and then I will transfer it to my MDF board. I believe that this technique is called bloom transfer. I just want to see a little more stretched out lacing, a little more transparency of the colors, because it will be stretched out from the beginning, when I will transfer it on there. So I put my white, I use my own mixture for the blooms. So the base is just a regular titanium white with Owatrol floetrol. The colors that I will use are mixed with JoSonja varnish and Owatrol floetrol, and this was quinacridone gold. And the next one is Pebeo Iridescent gold. Quinacridone gold is Hobain brand, and this is Amsterdam Azo yellow medium. Paints are quite on the thick side. I'm still playing with that, so it's not 100% the recipe yet, probably. This is this little piggy pigment stuffy, I believe. Yeah. And I have Amsterdam Expert Series in red violet. And I will use 3 cell activators today, and cell activator for this is Ambre Art cell activator. This is the brand that it's in Europe, but I believe that you can play with Australian floetrol or whatever you use as your cell activator for the bloom technique. Cell activators are only in bloom technique, so yeah, a little confusion probably for some of you that don't know every technique yet. So yeah, I will just blow it out. I'm still learning this part too. I believe that the key is that your cell activators slide over your colors, and that's why most of the bloomers use pillow paint, the house paint, because it's more fluffy, or how can I say it, probably those colors slide over it a little more than with this mixture, but I'm still happy with how it reacts anyway. So I leave that for some time, that's for cells to grow, and now I will just transfer this onto that MDF board that I already put a pillow down to. I don't know if this was needed, because this is not the total, regular bloom technique, and I think that I should start more to the edge and a lot of things, because it was my first. I like the pattern on the plate probably the most, because it's gorgeous. Yeah, so but definitely it worked kind of interesting. It create interesting effects. Colors are gorgeous together. I love this color combination a lot. I don't know, I kind of lose a little bit of cell activator colors. I would love to keep some, a little more of the black. So yeah, if I do bloom that it's in the middle, I don't want that black in the middle, but here I would not mind. So, and next time I will be, if I will try, and I definitely will, I want to blow it out a little differently, that I can stretch it out a little differently. So here I will just do my corners, because I like to do that, and sides, of course, before the final spin or final tilt or whatever, that are mostly covered. And I will still spin and tilt it out a little bit, but yeah, I want them because it has more they will cover nicely, or how can I say, because it will still, you know, paint flow over it. So yeah, I was just tilting a little bit, spinning a little bit, was off camera a little bit. But yeah, that's how it is when you are in your head with your mind. When you are painting, you know, it's sometimes you just forgot. So yeah, I really like this result. I hope that you like it too. And I will show you the dried results in a second. So here she is dry, and I love it. I got some kind of crazing here. I'm not sure why. Have to figure out that, but otherwise I'm happy. I'm happy that I got some nice lacing. I love the colors. I'm really happy with this one. So yeah, I did another one because I thought that maybe I should do this on a little bigger scale. That one will air on Wednesday. And I will definitely play with this bloom transfer some more, because I like the kind of stretched out lacing effect, or how can I say, just like it. So yeah, I will definitely play with that some more. Tell me what you think about this painting. Thanks for being here, and see you again on the next one. Bye!